Okay, so excuse all the noises, but it's old. It's an old house. But I've kind of been into those kind of like, what would you call them? Like cleaning mothers videos. So I've decided I need to make lunch, which I'm going to try to make some sloppy joes, and by that I mean I'm just going to put chutney and mince together and then put in a burger. But also my housemate or flatmate is gone for the weekend to meet her boyfriend, so I am going to try to have a clean so that I can be a good housemate. Also, most of the mess is mine, so this is mostly going to be a fast forward of me doing nonsense. I don't know, I don't really know what I'm going to talk about, because I don't know what's going to go on, so I'll see you at the end. I'm going to start off with cooking. So, for the fridge, got mince. I've also got fake cheese that I'm going to put on top, because America. And chutney. Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing. Okay, cooking will be going on in the background. Oh yeah, I'll get my chutney out. It's the caramelised red onion chutney from the Co-op, which is the best of their chutneys. So first of all, I'm going to try to put all the laying around things away. Sorry, my clothes are just drying. I don't have a drying rack. I mean, I can put this all straight, and then I'll feel less bad about it, but... So, I'm going to clean off the surfaces, then I'm going to spray the surfaces, and then I'm going to do the floor, because the floor's messy, and then we'll see. Oh yeah, look at this, it's so cute, it came in the cutest packaging. Let's see. And go. Looky, it looks like a can. Brilliant, love it. Water vessel from that art video. As we go, kind of organise the recycling. So you got to split it by glass, metal, paper, and plastic. So I'm going to put it on top of my clothes here. Even know if I'm in the shop. Yeah, I am. Surfaces are going to be a floor. So, bin. Multiple scoppies. half the jar. And I'm going to take the lid off because otherwise it's way too liquidy.
Cool. Back to the brushing. And I think we'll have time for a wipe down.
Only the kitchen really gets dirty. The corner is generally unused. So, don't need to worry about that.
Cool. Back to the corner here. Okay. There you go. And a stoppy.
Cool. We'll see how that's going. Bubblingly. And whoop, have the wipe down. By the way, I am fully aware that this is essentially not a sloppy joe. This is basically, instead of having a burger, you just mince. You can't be bothered. I'm not even sure if they use mince. Sloppy joes aren't really a thing in Britain, as far as I know. So, go. Put me bistro best away. Let's get wiping.
Where's the spray? Have you no spray? No. No spray. Guess I'll just have to use a soapy sponge. Okay, soap sponge. Clean, clean.
Ooh, I think next time I might try out some of the hacks from cleaning videos. For example, I know that my roommate has left a very tomatoey mess inside of the microwave. Maybe try some weird ways to solve that rather than just, you know, cleaning it stuff. And yes, I know it's more effective if you remove the influence that are on the side there, but I'm lazy.
I got stuff to do. Whoops. Sponge.
Good enough. So, I'm just going to make my dinner, get it all together, and we'll see how this goes.
And then I'll try away.
Okay. Got the halves halved. Let's just pop it in. Spoon, because inevitably I'll make a mess.
I feel like it actually lost a bit too much liquid.
And cheese! Or not cheese, I think it's technically cheese. Because if it wasn't technically cheese, they couldn't call it cheese. So it's got enough cheese to be cheese. Makes sense. I think they also add a nice amount of sweetness. On the other hand, chutney is fruit. Or I guess technically, I don't know, what are onions? Are they fruit or vegetables? or I don't know. What else could there be? Legumes. I know they're not legumes. Well, I don't know how it's placed, but it's a combination of three or I don't know. I don't really like these buns, but three things I like. Should I have ketchup? Nah, maybe next time. Big notes. It's got about 2 left. So that's the mess I've made. I'm gonna eat them. So tell me if you like this. Tell me what I should try. What should I do with my life, etc., etc. Goodbye.